What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. If you are a multi-EV household or even a single EV household with other vehicles that might be in the way, or if you live in an apartment and sometimes reaching your charger is very difficult, sometimes you wish you had that little bit of extra footage to get you where you needed to be to charge it, well, step into our product we're going to be reviewing today, sent to us by EVDance. This is that North American charging standard, aka the Tesla port charger extension cable. This is rated for 50 amps, 12 kilowatts. This is a 21-foot length one. There's a 40, I believe, or a little larger. And this is an IP66 rated cable. So that's a little bit of dust and water resistance. If you need it, you don't have to worry about that. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. Make sure you use them. It will definitely be one of your favorite Tesla accessories. I know for us, it already is. What I like about this is that not only does it have a locking mechanism to make sure the adapter is in place with the original charger, but it's how versatile this could be for all those situations I mentioned. One caveat I do want to preface this video with is this will not work for supercharging cables just due to the heat that puts out. Keep that in mind. There is something in the works for that, and we hope to give you guys more information on that here shortly. So for now, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you how we're going to use it. So like I mentioned prior, this is 21 feet in length and should suffice for a lot of people's scenarios. If you have a detached garage and multiple vehicles, you might want to opt in for the longer one, but we wanted the 21 feet for our situation. And as you can see right here on the other specifications we have, let me put this right there for you guys. You can see this is rated at 110 to 240 volts. It has a current of 50 amps max, 12 kilowatts max power, and a huge length of operating temperatures from negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees. You have regular storage temperatures, that IP rating, and the cable gauges as well. And you can see this is actually made out of a TPE nylon and copper material. So I'm going to go ahead and actually just open the box right up. And the first thing you will notice is that it actually comes in a very nice carrying case. So you don't have to worry about just having the cable separately spewing all over the place. Nice packaging. Actually is very solid. 2 handles to carry it with. And you can simply open it up. When you do, you'll be greeted with that massively heavy cord that will help extend your power as needed. So it does come wrapped in some bubble wrap to keep the heads covered and not damaged. We're going to go ahead and cut these off and open them up and show you where the new connectors lie. All right, so once you get it all taken out of the package, like I said, it did come packaged very good for transport. You'll notice the new end of where your Tesla charger will go into, the receptor here, I should say, does have a nice little cover. It's a little rubber cover that you can place over it for safe transport. And as you can see here, there is a lock and open option, so lock and unlock, in order to ensure the original charger, the OEM one from Tesla that's inserted here, doesn't shift. That stays right in place. And if you take the cap off, again, you're greeted with those plugs, and it does sit just comfortably on the cord itself. And then beyond that, what's going to go into the vehicle is right here, and that is your NACS port charger. Up front here, nice little piece of plastic covering it. From EVDance, and it does show you have your typical Tesla button to unlock the charger from the vehicle. Now, one call out, this button, unlike the OEM charger, will not open the charging port. Keep that in mind. You'll have to do it from the vehicle itself or from tapping on the charging port in order to open it up. But aside from that, first impressions off this cable is that it is really well built, very well structured, and does feel like it will last a long time. So let me grab our actual Tesla mobile charger that we brought with us for the scenario I want to share with you today. And then also, so you know, if you did have questions or needed a user guide here, it did come with that in the travel package and just telling you how to connect and disconnect. And as you can see, for a quick comparison, here is Tesla's OEM charger and the cable, and you can see this is actually thinner than what EVDance's cable is. It's very comparable, but you can tell the gauge is a lot thicker for that high heat disbursement. So Keep that in mind. Again, really good quality here at first glance and feel. The Tesla one is a little more flexible, where this is more firm, but could also be that this has just been used a lot more. So as you can see, we don't have our wall charger installed at this house yet. So I'm just using the mobile connector plugged into a 110 outlet, not even a 240 or anything like that. So we're gonna get a slower trickle charge, but what you'll see right off the bat is dragging the cable out and around here, we have another vehicle in the way. So what we're gonna have to do is now be able to take the actual Tesla connector from the wall and plug it in to this solution. And that's actually very easy to do, and I'm gonna show you right now. All right, so all you're gonna do, you're gonna take your EVDance extension cable, make sure it's unlocked, and then take your Tesla OEM charger here, and simply you're gonna plug it in as you heard there, lock it into place if you want. That is locked, now it is unlocked, and it is actually pretty sturdy there. Once you actually extend it out, obviously you can see our new end here from EVDance. Again, unfortunately, pressing the unplug button will not open the charging port. So we'll just tap it here. And all we're gonna do now, I'm gonna simply move around and plug it right in. And what I'll do is actually move this for you guys to see the charging light, and it is working as you would anticipate. Let's actually go ahead and get in the Cybertruck really quick to show you that it is charging. Obviously, it's going to take quite a while here because of the slow connection, but yeah, it is working as you would anticipate, pulling in 119 volts, 12 amps, which is, yeah, basically all you can expect for something like this coming out of a 120 outlet. So this extension cable from EVDance is definitely one of our most useful accessories that I can think most Tesla owners might need. Even if it's simply due to the location of where the wall connector or 240 outlet might be, it's always cheaper to put those panels by your breaker box. Some people might not want to spend the extra money to wire all of the additional copper around. If you're not wanting to spend money on the extra install costs or just looking for this for the multiple vehicle household like we said, we think this is a great solution. Again, we were not paid for this video. We truly just think this is a great product and really do appreciate EVDance sending it to us to get a first hands-on with. Again, stay tuned to the channel. Keep your eyes out for future products from them, specifically surrounding Tesla supercharger extension cords. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.